Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Sennappa. Okay, so this video we will discuss about HVAC. Okay, so everyone knows I already told you HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Okay, so this is HVAC. So in this HVAC, we will see today ventilation part. Okay, so what is ventilation part? Why we have to do ventilation? What is the importance of this ventilation? How we can give solution for ventilation? So ventilation. So what is ventilation? Ventilation is nothing but we have to control the pollution of fresh air in the area where we are working, where we are living, or where we are humans are using the area. Okay. Example like toilets and the paint shop or any other assembly area. We make the internal air pollution. Okay. So to control that pollution we have to make the ventilation, that means we have to shift that polluted air to outside and we have to take the fresh air inside. So this is called ventilation. Okay, so why this ventilation is important, you know very well that when this fresh air get polluted then the human's breathing will affected. So obviously the human health will get damaged. Okay, example, if paint shop, when we are spraying the paint, suddenly very quickly this normal pressure get polluted by these paints and all. So we have to make ventilation, that means we have to extract the polluted air and we have to let in the fresh air. Okay, and also as I told you, toilets and any other assembly area, any other chemical areas. Okay, in closed area, offices, so this and all area, this ventilation is very important. Okay, so what is the solution for this ventilation? Okay, nothing simple. We have to extract the polluted air, or we have to extract that compressed air where we are sitting or where we are working. Okay, so for that we have to use obviously fans. Okay, so providing this extract fans, we have to we can give the solution for the ventilation. Okay, so we can extract that polluted air continuously and we can let in the fresh air. Okay, so how we can let in the fresh air? By keeping additional fresh air fans or any open area. Example, house or any offices or any factory. So there will be always places for fresh air inlet, but normally there won't be any air circulation. Okay, unless you keep something to extract the air from one area to another area. Okay, once you provide this extract fans, so once you provide extract fans and if it is running, then the automatically the air will be sucked through this extract fan with the same force from any other holes or any other vents. The fresh air will come and it will fulfill that extracted area. Okay, so this is how we can provide the solution for the ventilation system. Okay, for that today we will see a small extract fan control panel. So this panel will be used to duty standby mode. Like if it is continuously used area, so we have to provide or we have to run the extract fan continuously. Okay, so the single fan will not run all the days or all the years. Okay, for that case we have to provide at least 2 extract fan and we will run it as duty standby. Like out of 2, one fan will be running 12 hour and another fan will be running 12 hour. In case any one fan fails, the standby fan will run automatically. Okay, for this setup we have a control panel. We will see how this will work. Okay, so here we have panel. This panel is called auto changeover panel or twin fan control panel. Okay, or duplex extract control panel. Okay, so with this panel we can control 2 extract fans. So this panel is made for 2 single phase fans. Okay, by this panel we can control 2 single phase fans with duty standby. Okay, so this panel is designed for run or extract run for 2 extract control panel duty standby. Okay, So each fan can be or each fan we can run with time basis like 4 hour 4 hour or 12 hour 12 hour 8 hour 8 hour. It's up to us how we can set the timer. Okay, so we can see external view of this panel. So here you can see we have provided controls for fan 1 and fan 2. Okay, each fan for each fan we have provided run indication, trip indication, and the selector switch and off auto. Okay, and same for the fan 2 also. Okay, now we will see the internal view. Okay, so this is internal view of this panel. Okay, you can see the bottom terminals. These terminals we have provided for incoming connection as well as outgoing connection. Okay, and we have 3 MCBs. Okay, 2 MCBs for each fan short circuit protection and 1 MCB for control purpose. Okay, and we have magnetic contactor and overload relay combination for each fan. Okay, and this for second fan, and we have 2 relays. Okay, so I will tell what is the purpose of these relays, and also the main component. This is analog 24-hour timer. Okay, and the important thing is this we have provided with the fire interlock provision. Okay, so once the fire alarm activated or the fire is engaged in the working area, so this fan will automatically shut off. Okay, so this is how we designed this panel. Okay, now we will see simply how the panel is working. Okay, so this panel will be controlling 2 fan manually as well as automatically. Okay, so this we have given incoming supply. So the this I told you this MCB is for short circuit protection. Okay, and this overload relay for the overload protection. There is difference between short circuit protection and overload protection. Okay, so now manual mode. Okay, each fan has selector switches and off auto. Okay, you can run all both fan together in AND mode. Okay, so both fan will be running in manual mode continuously. If you want to duty standby, you have to put both in auto mode. Okay, at any one time one fan will be running. Okay, so basic on the time setting. Okay, basic on the time setting, the fan duty will be changed. So now this is 24-hour timer with the battery backup. Once this supply is enabled, so this will keep on running. Okay, as per time setting this will keep on running. Now the time changed, so now the duty also changed automatically. Okay, after some time setting again the duty will be changing. So this is how the fan will be running with the duty standby mode. Okay, now the fan 2 is running. Okay, fan 2 is in duty mode. Okay, in case the fan 2 is tripped due to overload relay, automatically fan 1 will take over. Okay, so we will see how. So I am forcing by test. Okay, so once this fan 2 is tripped, see the fan will taken over automatically. For this trip changeover, this 2 relay is provided. Okay, so these 2 relays will take care of this trip changeover. Okay, so this timer will take care of the auto timing changeover. Okay, so this is how the panel is working. This will control the 2 fans in duty standby mode. Okay, in case while running this fan, if any fire happened, so obviously now this is since we are testing the panel, I just looped the terminals. Okay, now fan 2 is working. In case fire happened, the contact will disabled, so fan is off. Okay, in fire mode. So this is how this panel is working. Okay, so this panel we can use, I already told you, we can use in the area exactly big office toilets, paint shop, chemical production areas, and big offices. Okay, and big store areas. Okay, wherever we need the ventilation. Okay, So this panel is made with metal enclosure with protection of IP65. Okay, this can be installed in outside open area at a roof or anywhere you can install this panel. Okay, so this panel is completely designed and assembled with our own. Okay, so I hope I explained very clearly about ventilation and solution for the ventilation and the auto changeover panel working. Okay, so this panel is available with us with a very cheap price and with better quality. If someone is looking for this solution for the ventilation or auto changeover panel, please do contact for us. Okay, if you are watching first time or if you are not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe, please do support for my channel. Okay, so I will meet you in next video with a different subject. Till then, bye from Sanaparajan.